Thanks for joining us and welcome to Natural Hair Fest 2021. I'm Salome Sallehy, founder of Sugar Wax, and I'm thrilled to be the host of the Ultimate Hair Summit. If you've been part of the Natural Beauty Summit community, you might remember that we lightly touched on some hair topics through the Detox series. But for many of you, that wasn't enough. Many of you came back with more questions about clean hair care, and so here we are. For those of you who are new to the summit, welcome. Many of you tuning in have probably recognized that there's a fundamental problem, not just in hair care products, but in the entire personal care category. You've probably heard about some bad or even banned ingredients, and it can all be a little overwhelming. If you're like me, you might not even be able to pronounce half of the ingredients on your bottles. And even if you can, do you really know what they are or where they come from? That's why we're here. And I'm so excited to be sharing with you my conversations with some of the natural hair movement's game changers and innovators in the space with you. With each interview, I hope to uncover some of the hair world's great mysteries and maybe even help you solve some of your hair problems. Although my business technically puts me in the hair space, I'm really in the business of helping people get rid of hair, body hair, facial hair, unwanted hair. But in this series, we're going to be focused mostly on the hair that you probably want to keep, the hair on your head. We all want to take good care of our hair, but natural hair care isn't always so straightforward. Everything from the natural structure of our hair strands to our environment to how we treat our hair day in and day out can change our hair's needs. Through this series, we'll be exploring big hair topics and even sharing little hair tips. I can personally attest to the fact that there's so much information in each of these interviews. I definitely learn something new in every interview, and I hope that you do too. Sign up now and join us for some major hair insights. See you on the other side.